do you advise any dietary supplement that can strengthen our nervous system after the age of 30 or 40?
So for the dietary supplement, I would always say supplement is not something that I'm having supplement and I should not have food.
Okay.
So it is a complementary thing. So what we eat and what we should eat, there's a gap behind it, in
Mm-hmm.
between. So supplement fills up the gap, but obviously we need to eat. So
Okay.
if we talk about the nervous system, especially the aging and middle aged people and the aged people, so the very most important is omega
Mm.
fish oil supplement. Or so I always prefer have some omega rich food which you can have like the seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, chia seeds, everything, almonds and walnuts, chili goza, there's a dry fruit rich in omega. So you can have foods. Along with it, if you are a fish eater, that's your biggest plus point. So take maximum benefit and have
Okay.
at least 2 to 3 servings of fish per week according to the WHO recommendation.
Okay.
And if you're not a fish eater, then have fish oil supplements.
Okay.
That's the last. Second one is Brahmi, very important for your nervous system. It is very proven, scientifically proven. So either you can have Brahmi powder, or you can have Brahmi tablet, or you can have, Brahmi like beverages or whatever is available in the market, and whatever is, I would say, whatever is organic is available in the market. And the next one is ginseng.
Okay.
The ginseng is also available in some of the Ayurvedic stores in Ahmedabad especially, and that's basically a Chinese herb known for the nervous system especially. So and it is very famous among the Chinese people, and so we can have ginseng supplements as well.
Okay. And I understand, like, because of, like, such competitive market, and nowadays it's very important to have a healthy mindset as well along with this.
Yeah.
So, and for that, uh, what do you think? Which food is good for our mental health?
For our mental health, I would again emphasize on omega content, uh, the seeds and dry fruits, everything, and the fish if you are a fish eater. Along with that, eggs are very important.
Okay.
It's called a natural multivitamin. It has amino acids, vitamins, minerals, good fats, everything. So if you are egg eater, along with that, you can have some of the specialized tea nowadays available in the market, like chamomile tea or matcha tea.
Mm-hmm.
They also tend to relieve for inner stress.
Okay.
Then you can also have cardamom milk at night, which can give you the sound sleep, which can
Okay.
also keep you stress free. Then along some of the foods like I would say garlic, then blueberries, blackberries, all the berries like purple and color antioxidant, which is the best antioxidant basically. I always say that it is. I know for the very limited period it is available in India, but take maximum benefit. And next one is acerola cherry concentrate. That
Oh,
is vitamin C.
okay.
So if you are getting acerola cherry, if you are in the Western countries, and if you are living in the Western countries, if you are getting acerola cherry, it is best. Otherwise, you can have citrus fruits as well for vitamin C content.